In this video, we will work to stretch the front of our body and strengthen your back. So at the beginning, we will put the hands beneath your shoulder blades, your shoulders, and the elbows have to be nice and close to your body. And try to roll your shoulders back and down, nice and comfy. I'm playing a little bit there because the beach have an inclination toward the sea, so I always falling to the side. So we will try to keep the head in a way that we lengthen the back of the neck, not the front. So the chin have to be low, yeah? And it's like with the crown of your head, you pull in forward and with the feet as well, yeah? And we will lift in the hands from the floor just to strengthen that back that we deeply need in these times where we have a really bad posture. Yeah. Now we will work on stretching the front of your legs. So we'll bend one and just play a little bit side to side. And as we do that, we will try to bring the belly in and the bum in, and we try to put the groin on the floor. So we want to open that hip flexor that is responsible of a lot of pain. Yeah. So we will bend that leg, and if we can, we try to catch the foot. If you can't, don't worry, just extend your hand and just imagine that you are calling your foot. Yeah, at some point you will get there, so don't worry. But the more important part is that you keep opening the groin, yeah, the front of your hips, to keep expanding that hip flexor. More if you work sitting or you're working with a computer, that we really need to stretch that muscle. So we try to bring the foot first toward our glute to stretch our quadriceps. And just try to relax your shoulders. And then we will try to lift in the knee up, but without forcing your lower back. Yes, just lifting the knee and keeping the position. Yeah, so I show you there that we don't have to lift in the chest so too much because that forces our lower back. So we will try again with the other leg. Here I have to check in a couple of students. Yeah. So you have the other students, so you feel part of the group. Yeah. This is a group that we meet in La Mata Beach in Alicante, in Torrevieja. So you might, if you see these videos, come to holiday here with us and you join our classes. So we are in the next leg, on the other leg. And again, the same intention, so you try to catch your foot and bring into your glute. Again, don't worry if you can't catch the leg, it's not important. Yeah? We always have to work with our body in this moment. So wherever you arrive is okay for you. Yeah? And then if you got the foot there, you try to lift in the knee and open the chest, but without forcing the lower back. It's really important because we tend to force the lower back, arch the lower back in a way that is not correct, is not good for us. Now we will try with both legs. Yeah, so a little bit of relaxing always between poses is really good. When we relax, I like to put my hands beneath the forehead so we relax the shoulder blades and the elbows. So now we will catch both legs, or try. Remember, we are not forcing the chest up. Yeah, it's nice and relaxed, the upper body, just hanging on your arms, and you bend the legs. I always show here with my students that it's like you are on the beach waiting for your mojito or your piña colada. So now we try to catch your feet. Again, don't worry if you can't. Yeah, you try. If not, you leave the hands closer wherever you can, and that's enough. And again, in this position, we keep trying to bring the sorry, I fall there because the beach have an inclination, so I always joke a little bit just to keep the class entertaining. And it's because sometimes when we work in yoga, we get too serious, and it's not the point. We have to be happy as we move our body. Yeah, so we relax. Yeah, you did the very best. Now relax, a nice child pose, relaxing, releasing.